Assalamualaikum. Okay, starting the second part of everyday math uh, in where I'm learning right now. Like I forgot where I'm learning. Okay, this is like whenever you are in front of camera or you have to say something, you just forget the whole thing and go like black out, pain out, or something like that. So this is the second part of everyday math in Brilliant. So let's start. Visualizing fractions. Fractions describe a relationship between a part and a whole. A part and a whole. Okay. In this lesson, you will create visual representations of that relationship by coloring parts of shapes. I don't know why am I like my voice is breaking. I don't know why. Along the way, you will start developing this intuition for man, what kind of words are this? So being subdivide. Ah shit. Help me. Subdividing, combining, and subtracting fraction quantities. Parts of a whole, which means whole. Color 1 by 4 of the square. 1 by 4, 1 by 4 for a square. Then that means there will be 1 and there will be this. Then it will be 1 by 4, I guess. Let's see. Yes, that's correct. Then there are many ways to select quarter of the square. Oh yeah. Oh man, this is like brilliant. Really, I have really great interface and learning experience. Together, any of the two, any of any two of the 8 rectangles make a quarter of the square's area. Make a quarter of the square's area. Okay. The quarter. I am thinking like what the quarter specifically means, but don't know. I have to look it up later. We can write that as 2 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. Color 1 by 2 of the square. You can drag and bring colors. Okay. One color the half of the square. Then now this is kind of challenging or something. Okay, I think I have to color all of these elements. Okay, these things are meant to be like drag and drop. Let's see. Yes, it's okay. Okay, this can be into. Yes, I thought about this one, but didn't implement that. There were 2 ways to select half the area. Ah, there were 2 ways to select the half area. They didn't. Okay. Divided that square and okay, now I get it. Like we have such a great interface that I thought that I understand the whole thing, but now I understand the whole thing that this will be. I knew that this can be divided into 4, but now it's like more clear and like fully water-like clear. In what solutions 4 out of 8 rectangles are selected or half the total area, we can write that as 4 by 8 4 by 8. No? Okay, this 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is also 4. Okay, 1 by 2. Okay, that one. 3 by 16. Now this is where the things get uh, kinda creepy or something like that. Oh man. So 3 by 16. Okay, so basically we need to divide this whole square into 16 pieces. So let's see, at first, like 4 into 4, 4 by 4 is 16. So if there is 4, then should be also 4, there should be also 4, there should be also 4. So it's already in dividing it, so I just have to color this tree and it's done. Okay, the everyday math is gradient always gives you something like that, which will be in your level, but you will also have fun doing those things. After that, there are many different ways to write the same fraction quantity. Okay, 1 by 4. Later in the course, we will use visual molecules such as ways to further explore the concept of fraction evaluation. Not evaluation, what is this? Equivalence. Equivalence. Okay. Equivalence. Combining parts. 1 by 16 of the triangles. Okay, as we gone through the last one, this is also the same. Just in the rectangle, that was in square, this is in triangle. 5 of the triangle. Here, that means 4, and 1 here, that means 5. There are many different ways to select 5, 1. Yes, there are many different ways. Each larger triangular piece has 1 by 4 of the total area. The smaller triangles are 4 triangles, smaller, so 1 by 6 of total. The total area is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 is equal to 1 by 16 plus 1, that's equal to 1 5 by 16. Oh man, it's so much fun learning here than in our school curriculum, because in our school curriculum this same thing was taught in such a manner that that was kind of like depressing or something like that. I was afraid of what is this, fraction, I guess. Yes, I was afraid of this fraction, not fraction, is it like fraction? In Bangla, I guess it's, if I I translate that Bangla into English, then it will be like divisible numbers or something like that, because all the numbers are divided in divisible manner. So okay, after that we added fractions by combining different pieces. Let's try subtraction next. Okay, now they are making us start the subtraction and the what subtraction and not multiplication, subtraction and addition of fractions. Subtraction and the addition of fractions. Okay, that's kind of like remember something. Remove color from parts of the square so that 3 by 4 edge of it remains shaded 3 by 4. Okay, that's interesting. 3 by 4 means there would be 4 parts of a square, and then I need to make keep 3 of them. This is not gonna make understanding now. 3 by 4. Okay, this is different and like I think I need 1 minute. I don't know what did I take. It took 1 minute. I deleted it, and this will be like we can divide this thing into 4 pieces here, one and one from here. So, and some of our kids are like our local kids are acting foolishly. Okay, they are properly mad, feeling mad. So what can I do? I think I have to like get rid of all of this. Like what did happen? I think this will be like this. Let's see. Okay, it's not this. Oh man, 3 by 4. I think I get it. Right now I get it. Yes, I get it. Because 3 by 4 means this 3, all of those 3 will be remaining, and this would be like the thing that we come. Or else the thing will be 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is equal to 1. I don't know why my Paris is breaking. So let's go check this. Yeah, okay. Remaining pieces corresponds to subtraction. Man, I really wish like if our education system traditional education taught us like this, removing pieces and etc. But they just only made us go through the the bad part of doing that. And 1 minute. Okay, I was like saying why the Wi-Fi just gone. Let's try addition on the same space. Sheet 3 by 8 of the square. 3 by 8. Okay. Now let's see this. 1 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 is equal to 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. Oh, this thing is not taught in our school. This one, that 1 is equal to 4 by 4. This is something new. Shade 3 by 8 of the square. Okay, it's 3 by 8 of the square. 3 by 8 means I have now divide this whole thing into 8 pieces. So if I divide this whole thing into 8 pieces, at first I think we can make 3 is by doing this, and then maybe this will help. Yes, this thing will just gonna drop down here. If this drop downs here, then we got the thing. Let's see. And it's not okay. Maybe 1 less would be the thing. Oh man, too much other shade. Why? Shape 3 by 8 of the square. In here we had 3 by 4, so the 3 parts of the 4. Oh, if we go to the 8 part, let's divide this into 8 parts. How would the 8 part would go like that, and this will be the 4 part, and if like we go to this cross one, then that will be 8 parts. So 3 by 8 would be something like this. Maybe let's see. Man, right now got it correct. That was pain. There are many different ways to combine parts to get the same fraction as the sum. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 is equal to 3 by 8. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. Okay, 1 by 4 plus. This is the 1 by 4 and another plus 1 by 8. This was my one. Oh, this is another one. 1 by 4 plus 16, 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16 is equal to 3 by 8. This one is so long that it isn't appearing in the screen. I don't know, like, why is this happening? Like, it shouldn't really be happening here. Okay, this is 3 by something plus 1 by 16, 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16 is equal to 1 by 8. Okay. These were the 1 by 16. We 16 pieces of this. Did we ever have? No, we didn't have 16 pieces before. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 plus 3 by 16. Okay. That means then this another layer does that, makes that 16 times. There's two straight lines, 4, 1 by 4, and then another cross lines, and 8 by 1, and then another cross line. Then that's 16 by 1. Okay. In this lesson, you use geometric shapes cut into different different sided pieces to reason about a variety of fraction quantities. Next, you will investigate how to systematically visualize any fraction of you can think. Should I complete another lesson regarding fractions? Okay, let's at first see what is the next one. Okay, to my it's taking so much longer to come. Introduction to number lines. Yeah, I think I should make another video for that.